Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Celestial Moon, where I discuss a variety of topics centered around harnessing your divine spiritual magic. Today's video will shed light on the wand suit in a tarot deck. I'll dive into what each card in the wand suit represents so you know exactly what you're dealing with if you pull up one of these cards in a tarot reading. Now, there are so many ways to interpret the meanings of the cards, and this is just a general summary. As you learn more about tarot, you'll see that the meanings are subjective. I'm also a novice to this, so hang in there, we're learning together. The Minor Arcana holds a total of 56 cards, which are divided into 4 suits, most commonly referred to as wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. Each suit has 14 cards, numbered ace through 10, and then the last 4 cards are referred to as the court cards, which represent different personality types, attitude, and temperament. These court cards are usually named page, knight, queen, and king. In certain decks, they are given other names. In the Wild Unknown Tarot deck, court cards are named daughter, son, mother, and father. The minor arcana of the tarot symbolizes daily aspects of life, giving insight into our challenges, talents we possess, opportunities we may be presented with, experiences we may go through, or ups and downs that life may present us with. Each suit has an element that it is associated with. Wands are represented by fire, swords, air, cups, water, pentacles, earth. In addition to that, wands deal with creativity and the pursuit of endeavors. Cups relate to emotions and the realm of feelings. Swords deal with thoughts and ideas, and pentacles shed light on finances and monetary concerns. Determining a card's significance in a reading is dependent upon the question, the reader, the person receiving the reading, and the placement of other cards in the tarot spread or layout that you choose. Keep all of that in mind as we go through the meaning of the different cards in the wand suit. Let's jump right in. First, we have Ace of Wands. This card is associated with creativity and a passion for achieving your goals, whether it's a personal project or a professional one. It can mean a new exciting endeavor or that you're about to meet with a new adventurous person. This card also acts as a message to embrace new beginnings with zest and enthusiasm. In the reverse position, this card represents being unmotivated, not driven, or blocked creativity or energy. The next card is Two of Wands. This card has to do with preparedness. Life is filled with trials and tribulations, but the Two of Wands reminds you to expect the unexpected, properly analyze situations, and prepare accordingly for whatever hurdles life puts in the way of your desires so that you may triumph. In the reverse position, not properly planning ahead, lack of foresight, being stagnant, and loss of passion are major key themes. The Three of Wands reflects back on your earlier efforts, projects, relationships that you invested time and energy into. It could be an indicator that you're going to start receiving rewards, whether it's monetary or praise. This card says that you've been working really hard and you're finally about to receive your flowers. Accept it with grace. In the reverse position, this card may represent being indecisive or feeling stagnant, like you aren't making any progress. The Four of Wands is a card of security and stability for a period of time. It lets you know that something worth celebrating is on the horizon. However, celebrations don't last forever, so enjoy it while you can. In the reverse position, instability or an uneasy time to come are major key themes. Next up is the Five of Wands. This card represents challenging times, but don't be discouraged if this card comes up in a reading. It's a message to keep fighting and build resilience. In the reverse position, avoiding conflict and actually facing your issues with yourself or the people in your life are major key themes. Six of Wands follows. It's an awesome card to pull in a reading. It signifies success, accomplishment, recognition. In the reverse position, this card does represent failure or even achieving something you feel you didn't actually earn due to the way that you define personal victory. The Seven of Wands is about fighting for what you want and protecting yourself. It reminds you that you are strong and to be tenacious in the fight for what you want and protect those who deserve protection as well. In the reverse position, being overly defensive and giving up are major key themes. The Eight of Wands represents nearing the end of a situation, project, or relationship and moving on to the next chapter. In the reverse position, this card represents feeling stuck, the inability to change or move forward. Next is the Nine of Wands. Persevering past a setback and finding strength to continue on are major key themes of the Nine of Wands. In the reverse position, giving up is a major key theme. So this card urges you to not give up. Keep fighting. The Ten of Wands signals that you have a lot on your shoulders. The burden is heavy and it may feel like life is coming at you from all sides, boxing you in, weighing you down. This card tells you to center yourself, figure out how to lessen the load, maybe ask for help or delegate or leave toxic people behind. In the reverse position, this card represents avoiding responsibilities and laziness. The Daughter of Wands or the Page of Wands represents someone full of energy or adventure because good things and new opportunities are on the way. In the reverse position, it could represent immaturity and serve as a flag that difficult news may be on the horizon. The Sun or the Knight of Wands can symbolize change, sometimes even in terms of location, so travel is a big theme here. It can also represent being inspired and motivated to get things into gear, propelling yourself forward, and movement of any kind. In the reverse position, think impatience or inability to commit. The Mother of Wands or the Queen of Wands represents an independent woman or person who is confident, creative, has great social skills, a true role model. In the reverse position, insecurity, bullying, and jealousy are major key themes. The Father of Wands or the King of Wands points to a leader, someone that is inspiring and driven, someone shrewd and virtuous. This card tells you to embrace your truth, be your authentic self, and people will gravitate towards that. In the reverse position, egotism, narcissism, inflexibility, and even self-doubt are major key themes. There's so much more to dig into with the swan suit and the minor arcana, but I do hope you found this video helpful and informative and providing a basic understanding of the major themes of each card. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and check out my other videos for more magical content. See you next time. Bye.